Morning everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. 3 days of work with nothing but a hammer and a pry bar and an occasional impact driver. My Ryobi impact driver is doing a good job for me still today. And we're about to start pulling the walls down. We've got a pile of wood here we have to dispose of. We got a pile of garbage over there to dispose of. I have a pile of sheet metal and scrap metal, and I kept the windows for a gazebo I'm going to do in the garden. And right now I'm not going to show it, but we're going to pull that off with a tractor. I'm not going to show the tractor or the driver, but we're about to pull it over. I might record as it goes the last few minutes of pulling that down. The only thing left is the hot water heater, and we just don't care right now. We want to get this out. Here we go. That's just going to snap those last supporting rafters safely and carefully. And oh, it's starting to lean. We're going to do that twice on the ends, once on each end. I think actually it might be ready to pull over. I'm going to have to get my put the camera down and readjust, reconsider what we're doing here. Be back in a minute. I'm going to take another run at it. Really easy. Oh, his chain came loose. We're going to have it come this way. It's starting to slip. You can see the boards are starting to hang forward. That's exactly what we're going to do. Bring it forward this way. Oh, he's going to hit it again with a tractor. I don't know. It looks like it wants to go backwards on it. Oh, it might go forwards. I hope it does. Nope. Nope. That's not what we wanted. Well, it's flat. It is flat. That's good. Morning, everybody. It's the next day. We've been hacking and slashing. There's other people on the site, so I'm not recording as we work. But we got half the roof dismantled. Right now we're just taking out the rafters, breaking them down. But literally half the roof is peeled off. It's going pretty easy. I found a way to peel the trim off right here first, all along the edge, and then I can come in with an axe, and I use the axe to peel the trim off. I can use an axe and peel that lip off and take it off in big sheets all at one time. 3/4 strips at a time. It comes right off nice and easy. And in the rafters, this is just held together by staples. It's a joke. You can almost pull it apart by hand. So it's going easy. We'll have this done in 10 minutes right here. This last bit of ribs.